the risks of using dApps on Trust Wallet. All right, that means this means decentralized apps. All right, that is the section of your Trust Wallet where you can do a lot of external duties beyond your Trust Wallet, where you can connect to some varieties of sites. You can connect to a swapping site. You can connect. You can even search out any random stuff on the Dapps section. All right, there's a lot of decentralized apps on Dapps, and there are a lot of developers out there, both the real one, both the genuine one, and then the scamic one. All right, creating a lot of Dapps apps. All right, no, this is the risks of using Dapps. All right, number one, now when you use Dapps, whatever site you connected to on Dapps, because most time they'll prompt you to connect, since it's within your Trust Wallet, whatever site you connect to on Dapps to do whatever transaction you have to do, your wallet may be still left connected to that site. All right, your wallet may still be left connected to that site, and by that doing, they can actually infiltrate your wallet or steal your recovery phrase or steal your tokens, your coins at any moment they want. All right, so follow this instruction in this video, follow the video to the end, watch this video to the end, as I'm going to give you every details on what to do to avoid any kind of infiltration as such after using Dapps. All right. This is what you need to do after using Dapps, all right, to connect to whatever site you connected with. Most of these sites could be a phishing site that you don't really know. Okay, so this is what you need to do. Now you have to disconnect your wallet from the site you connected it to, and this is how to check how many sites that your wallet is actually connected to, so that you can actually disconnect it from those sites. All right, this is how to actually check it.
First of all, what you have to do is log into your Trust Wallet and then click on settings, then click on wallet connect. So you can see there the only wallet I'm connected to is Binance NFT, so I'm connected to Binance account, so I have to go there from that wallet connect to disconnect that. All right, so what I want to do is disconnect it. Okay, once I disconnect it, I'm no longer connected to Binance. So being connected to Binance means that Binance have my recovery phrase. So this is when people go through the Dapps option, the same section that is named as browser. If you are using the updated version Trust Wallet, this section displays whatever site that you are connected to, and on the site that you are connected to has your recovery phrase. So most people just create a Dapps application that once you connect, they take control of your recovery phrase and then they empty your wallet. So be careful website that asks you to process your airdrop at the Dapps section of your website of your Trust Wallet. Okay, those sites are fishy, really fishy. They're going to steal your recovery phrase and then do away with your coins. So you can also go through this preference area and clear the Dapps browser, so you get rid of whatever cache or history that you still have on there. All right, this will help you prevent some scams from going on your wallet. So if you must participate in anything airdrop, make sure that you use a wallet that you don't have any coin in. All right,
okay, you go to this the setting section of your wallet and then disconnect it from that site, and then always verify every site you visit using your Dapps. All right, so now you have gotten to this point of this video. Please do well to just subscribe or like the video and then comment in the comment section. Always follow me on Instagram at BarinuaTradex, Facebook at 𝗦𝗚𝗎𝗓𝗏. All right, and then we'll do other things from there. All right.